Namaste, my name is Sri Payoja, studying in 7th standard in Purna Primary School. Now I am going to demonstrate the law of reflection. Here I have the model and a protractor, and I also have the mirror and two board pins. Here I have placed the red board pin at 50 degrees. So now you can see the reflection of the red board pin and the yellow pin and the rubber band are at the same line. So this says that the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. Here the red pin is also at 50 degrees and also the yellow pin is at 50 degrees. Now I am going to do a variation. I am going to try with another mirror. So to check if the size of mirror makes any difference. And yes, here I have the mirror. So now I am going to check if the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here you may see that the reflection of the yellow board pin and the red pin and the rubber band are at the same line. So this also proves that the shape of mirror and the size of mirror does not matter. Now I have another variation. I am going to put this rubber band slightly oblique to this mirror. You see it's oblique. Now I am going to place this mirror, but I am not going to place this mirror perpendicularly to this normal line, but I am going to place so that the rubber band is perpendicular to this foam board. Now you can also see it's 50 and it's 50. Now let us check if it's same. Yes, it is same. We can see that the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence, because the reflection of yellow pin, the rubber band and the red pin are at the same line. Now I am going to try another thing to check if the thing which is seen in the mirror, if it is if the image is formed to the front of the mirror or to the behind of the mirror or exactly at the mirror, if behind the mirror or front the mirror, what is the distance? Here you can see I have a board pin here, and I am going to measure how many centimeter it is from the mirror. Here you may see that it's 3 centimeters, and also in the mirror it's 3 centimeters. So this shows that the image is formed exactly at the same distance behind the mirror. So that's it. Thank you.